Everybody, all you exploring nuts out there, and welcome back to another exploring adventure. We are here with, you can see her in the sun here, the hammer over this way, and the old Uncle Matt over this way. We are on the kayaks, which is another rarity for us, but every time I get on, it's a new record for the amount of times I've been on my kayak this year. But we are going out today. We've been on a pretty crazy bass bite. I have been filming much of that, but we've got a good pretty day out here. We're going to get out here, see if we can get a few of those, and ideally if we can find some of the other creatures that live in here, that is what we're really looking for. But if we catch bass like the way we have been, we will take that too. So let's get on them. I'm going to start with a little tail spinner, trying out a new one today because I lost my other one last time I was out here. Oh shoot, we're casting the same direction. There they are. All right, I'm going to cast to the left here once you get clear. But just cast anywhere through here, between here and the bank or wherever. I have to use a loaner reel today because my other reel, unfortunately, lost a couple of teeth out of the main gear. And so I'm borrowing a Miraval today. Pretty nice. A little bigger with 2500 on this reel, on this rod than I normally will throw. My other reel was a 1000. It was more of a 1500 size. This is a nice light reel though. Just a little bulky feeling. So used to that 1000. May switch to a swim bait here in a minute. Just depends on what's going on. Where are they at? This is old school fishing. We don't have any depth finders. We're just trying to read them. The bite's been better later in the day, so as the day goes on, I think we'll probably get into some better fish or into some fish. Oh, hammer's on. She's getting dragged. She's got a good one. This thing oddly hasn't gotten bit yet. I may need to switch it. I switched the swim bait quicker than I planned on it. It's just enough breeze to blow me back in the shore here. There's one. Yep. Decent fish. Good fish, feels like. Jeez. How good is it? Definitely a different feel from the kayak. Jeez. Holy cow. What the heck do I have? I mean, oh, it's an ice bat. Oh my gosh, look at it come up from, oh my gosh. Oh, come here. Oh, come here, come here. Don't spit that thing out. Oh my gosh, come here. Woo! There's about a 5-pounder. That thing was hooked really good. Can't get to my. Here's a what's it? Held in the water until the hammer could come over and help me out. But there is a beauty, probably pushing 20-incher, and look at the maw on that thing. Absolutely beautiful fish. I'm not a bass guy, but when they're biting, I'll take them. Bye, mama. See if we can do that again. Got blew into the shore here while I was doing that, so I get reset. Good start though. They like the new tail spinner. I'll take it. I need to take a moment to try to get my tool though. Sorry. Right, back in action here. The GoPro's not mounted real tight, so hopefully it doesn't like fall down and I get a good view of absolutely nothing. Cast back through there again, see if there's any more buddies hanging around. We are going to travel some water today and see if we can find something other than the green ones. But that's fun. That's all we get today. Just kind of a steady retrieve with the tail spinner, and I pop it every once in a while. Keep down. They're schooling offshore fish. They will come up to the bank chasing the shad. Oh, there's another one. Nope. Oh, another good fish. You see that jump? Tail spinner doing some work. Not as big as that last one. Decent. Oh, buddy. And again, just absolutely choked it. At least in the top of the mouth this time. Not bad. Another probably 3-pounder. There we go. That one popped right out. Nom nom nom. Thank you for playing. Oh, there they are. That's not a big one. That's another fish. Not a bad one. Another 2.5, 3-pounder. Bye, baby. There he is.
Dude, I love this rod. Oh my god. Dude, this thing has so much backbone.
Try not to get pulled over the top of them. A double would be awesome. Is that a pretty good fish again? And as fat as these fish are, I don't think there's a bad fish in here right now. Yep, that's a goodie. I don't know if we can see that on the camera or not. Oh, it came off right there. Leader catch. Oh! Yep, missed him. Got him on the second time. That's a good fish. Hopefully it stays on. It's pulling in there, dang it. Go the other way. Oh yeah, another good one. Another nice one. Jeez. Oh my gosh, hello. Ow, ow, ow. There she goes. Oof. Now they're just towed. Absolute tank. Oh my gosh, look at the girth on that thing. Come on, there she goes. Another just 4+. Beaut. There you go, big girl. Thanks for playing. Right. That was definitely a school because I had one drive by and it missed. I just let it sink and that one just absolutely munched it. I get my rod tip untangled here now. Question is, we want to find some other fish. How do you stop fishing for what's biting? How do you stop fishing for what's biting is a real question. Oh! That felt weird. That almost felt like structure. There might be a rock pile out here. That might be why they're sitting out here. That didn't feel much like a hit. It could have been, but could be a little high spot right there. There's like no wind and somehow I'm getting blown to my right. It's because a fart can move this kayak. Got one? Bob? Time to set up the ice fishing pole. I'm recording, but I got a fish on the ice rod. He was so small, I couldn't hardly feel it. I was like, what the heck is going on here? Absolutely choked it, unfortunately. Luckily my tool is still out. On the ice fishing rod. Oh, he's a... Come on. There he goes. Not what I was looking for, though. It feels weird. Oh, yeah, I think it is. Oh, is he still on? Yeah. So deep. Yep. Woohoo! Yeah! On the ice fishing rod. Look at that thing. Alright, how many do we have?
I think I got like 5.
Okay. Dang, I don't have anything to put them in here.
Oh, you're keeping?
Nah, I don't know. I thought about it. You're talking about doing a fish fry. I don't have anything thought out. Look at that beauty. You get whacked? Well, we're just going. Yeah. Oh, you have a cooler. Yeah. I'm just going to tuck it around a couple.
Yeah, cooler and 2 trainers.
All right, let's see if I can get this on camera before it dies. Oh. Oh. Yep, that's the right one. Oh my gosh. Nope. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, that's a nice white perch. Oh, he came off right there. Oh well. It's all right.
Have a good day or excellent evening.